Now the problem with saving that penny in India is that you would ideally like to buy a really long dated penny to save yourself. If you're going to buy weekly pennies, you will be penniless pretty soon. So you will carry a black swan risk. You've got to be ready to say, in case of a black swan, you will lose a year's worth of earnings. If that's the strategy you follow, then you will bounce back. And also when trading in low vol environments, don't use up all your capital. Traders don't agree to that. My traders use up all their capital and they want more. But the fact is, you've got to keep telling them this, that in a low vol environment, save your capital so when the opportunity comes, you strike. But the fact is that you've got to be willing in a black swan event to lose 1 year's worth of earnings, which even the best of long-term investors, I think, sometimes lose and sometimes wait it out.